Hi, welcome back to another Acrobat video. Then we're going to look at full screen mode. So there's a few different options that we can do with this. So let's see, we've got left click to go forward. Or we could do maybe auto. This would be basically auto flip. So you can still use the left click. We're going to go advance every 10 seconds. And let's use a box out. All right. So what if we want to do something else then? Well, the other thing we can do as well, if we go to our pages, let's do 1 and 2, select those. And if we go to our page transitions, you can basically select, I've already done this, but basically you can select various different things. So for instance, we can do dissolve for 1 and 2. And also you can override the general auto flip. We'll auto flip in 2 seconds on this one. All right, and then let's do, we'll select from 3 to 13 page transitions. You see, because I'd already set the third page, I believe, that's why it says varies. And we could do zoom in, down, auto flip 1 second. So yeah, so that's the sort of thing you can do. So basically, if you want to see it, you basically have to do the shortcut, which is Control L. So that will start. Let's make sure we're at the beginning there. All right, so that's basically it. And then all we have to do is make sure we go back to the top of the page, Control L. And you can see you're going to get various different transitions here. These are on 3 seconds, and now it's going to go to 1 second in a moment. So you can see that happening. But yeah, just like different ways, basically combining page transitions and then your general preferences to create interesting transitions. Obviously, if you don't want it to actually go down, then it will stop at a certain point. See, it's probably, did it stop here? Yeah, I think this is actually page 13 because that was the contents page. Interesting. As I scroll up and down as well, you can actually get the transitions back. Yeah, because basically when it enters the page, it will do the transition again. But yeah, pretty cool anyway. So thanks for watching.